Amid rising vigilance on global health issues, the World Health Organization has raised concerns about a batch of contaminated syrup produced by an Indian company in Iraq. The syrup, it's named Cold Out, was found with higher levels of harmful substances. This as per a report by Reuters. India is yet to respond to these concerns. The Cold Out syrup, it's manufactured by Force Laboratories for Life Pharma. The syrup contained more diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol than considered safe by the WHO. The companies have not assured WHO about the product's safety and quality yet. According to the UN health body, the acceptable safety limit for both is not more than 0.1%. However, the batch had 0.25% of diethylene glycol and 2.1% of ethylene glycol. Now, earlier cough syrups made in India were linked to the deaths of at least 89 children in Gambia and Uzbekistan. The Indian authorities also took action against the companies involved. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.